Hey everybody, thanks for joining us again on Drunken Sailor. It's hard to believe we actually made it past 2 years and we've done over 120 cocktails. Kim and I were talking the other day, and one thing that we realized, we have never done a gin and tonic. It's a staple. It should be done. So we're going to do it. But we're going to do it Drunken Sailor style, and we're going to step it up a little bit. So let's get pouring. We're going to start off, and this is an easy one because we are building it in our glass. First off, we are going to use 2 ounces of Empress Gin. You've seen this before. It's a beautiful butterfly pea flower tea colored purple. So it's got a great color. It's got a nice look to it. The next thing that we're going to put in there is 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. We're using fresh because you know fresh is best. And this is where the magic occurs. Ooh, it was purple, now it's pink. Drop that gently in there. And I'm gonna wanna give it a little piece of resistance. We are putting in here some absinthe. Just a little bit, putting in a couple squirts. Gives it a nice touch to it. And we're gonna give that a real quick stir. Kind of chilling it down. And, of course, what would a gin and tonic be without tonic? A couple ounces of tonic in there. Just another real quick gentle stir in there. And the garnish. Gin and tonic has always been a standard where we use a lime slice in there. And our last garnish in there is going to be a flower. So we've got this beautiful believe it or not, Thanksgiving cactus lily that just bloomed in our house. And there you go. The Drunken Sailors Gin and Tonic. Cheers, everyone.